Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Salesflare Actions Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page. Search for the custom page of the app, click on it, and you're going to see this interface with all its necessary features, such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on how to set up your app. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API key to complete your configuration. Head to the account online, click on your settings, and you scroll down and search for API keys and click on it. Then you click on the plus icon and you give a sample name. Click on Create and click on Copy. Head back to your account and paste. Click on Complete Setup. Your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And the Changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button and click on Subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.